And now, our weekly message from the Nebraska College of Technical Agriculture in Curtis.
Hi, I'm Taylor Wilson. As a student at NCTA, I think the campus environment here is ideal for anyone from a small town. I especially think it is perfect for anyone who is homeschooled just like me. I chose to study animal science at NCTA because it was important to me to attend a college with a small campus with hands-on learning. When I first visited campus during one of the Discovery Days, I knew this would be a great place to begin my college education. I enjoyed seeing how the teachers knew their students personally and that they were not just another number. I was especially convinced after meeting with the instructors and learning about the different teams and experiences the school helps the students to have. The classes I have taken at NCTA incorporate hands-on learning with the lectures to give me a real-world experience. For example, in animal management, our labs take place outside working with hogs and cattle to show real-life examples of our lessons. And when I took artificial insemination, we practiced the real deal. These classroom experiences are going to help me be prepared for when I graduate and pursue a career in a cow-calf operation at the research center. So if you are one of the 14,000 homeschooled students in Nebraska or just someone from a small town, NCTA is a great choice for you to begin college. I think you will really enjoy living, working, and studying with other students in our close community. I found it easy to get to know everyone and quickly become part of the campus. With a large number of teams and clubs at NCTA, I have been active outside of classes too. I am a member of the Livestock Judging team, the Rodeo team, and Collegiate Cattlemen. I invite you to visit campus soon to see firsthand everything I've been telling you about. Visit our website to learn more at ncta.unl.edu and learn more about our small campus with a big impact.